Today we're going to be looking at a brand new home built by Vita Nova Homes in the community of Eastwood. So this is an infill property. It's a detached home, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, unfinished basement. Let's check it out. All right, there she is. She's a beauty. Got a next door neighbor that's also brand new as well. Landscaping, not quite done yet. Of course, that's going to be the buyer's responsibility once you take possession. There will be a sidewalk, so don't worry. This wood's not going to stay here forever. That will get moved. But let's head on in. Oh, wow. As soon as you come in, you've got this nice little bench, a place to hang your coat. What's not to love? And it opens right up into this front living room area. Super open concept. Scratch that. This is not a living room area. This is a dining room area. I just need a little bit more time to look at it and I figured it out. Wow, I like this kitchen. So you got your kitchen there, and then right here is a perfect spot for a dining room table. You don't have to waste any time finding the kitchen. It's right here pretty much as soon as you walk in. So if you're hungry, you can get to the food right away. Yeah, you got tons of room in this pantry. Think a fridge probably goes there. Microwave here, plenty of countertop space, you know, coffee bar, whatever. Looks like it does the trick. You got room for your dishwasher down here. Appliances aren't in right now, but the builder will be putting those in soon. Stove's gonna go right there. Got the nice metal, you know, stainless steel hood fan. And don't forget the quartz countertops. And now we've got the real living room, not the fake living room like I misidentified from the beginning. Got an electric fireplace in the living room, which is pretty cool. I can't find the remote, but I'm sure it does look cool once you light it up. Always great to have that in the living room. And then there's this window in the living room, which is nice, brings in some light, but high enough that you still got your privacy. You get the best of both worlds. Now, how do you get to the basement? All right, okay, so you got a side entrance here, goes down to the unfinished basement. This is set up to work well as a legal suite in the future. You could finish that. We'll check that out later. And then what do we have over here next to the living room? Looks like it's a little den area. You got your plug-ins there, little light, another window. Yeah, that's a cool little den area. Tucked away behind the fireplace, still close to all the action. You ain't gonna fit a big desk in here, but you can still fit something. And then over here, you got a half bath, which is kind of cool, you know? Toilet and vanity. It's definitely the kind of stuff that you need on the main level. Oh, this is pretty roomy. In this back closet, you've got like a boot shelf that's slanted. That's nice for putting your shoes, hang some stuff there, store some stuff there, store more stuff there. This could be like a broom closet almost, the way that's designed. Pretty cool. There's a little nook over here. Oh, I see. This is for the washer and dryer. So set up, you could do stacked washer and dryer here, kind of just tucked in the back. That's awesome. And then out back, you've got dirt. Not quite done yet. You'll get the rough grading here after that's done. You know, it's a brand new house. You got room for a garage back there if you want. In the current price, it's not included, but the builder will actually do a garage pad and a garage if you want. They can build that into the price. There will be steps put in here, which will make it a little safer. Right now, we just got some wood protecting us from falling in the dirt, but this could be a pretty nice yard when you're done with it. I think it might be time to mosey on upstairs. More windows at the top of the stairs. Got a hallway there, another one there. Let's go check out that room. This is definitely the master. You got a big window in the back, nice side window there. Over here on the right is the walk-in closet. Pretty nifty. Wow, this closet even has its own natural light source. You don't even need the light. Lots of space in there. Then over here you got the master bath, his and her sinks, huge plus. Got your toilet kind of tucked in the corner here. Lots of cabinet space. Cool shower here, tile surround, glass sliding door. I like it. Hey honey, can you pass me another roll of toilet paper? I didn't even notice this at first, but over here there's a bunch of these little nooks and stuff that you can put even more stuff in. Let's move to bedroom number 2. But first, there's a linen closet. You just gotta have one of these linen closets. And look at those natural lights. What's inside bedroom number 2? And they didn't cheap out on the closet. It's got the built-ins, which is nice for extra storage instead of just those really cheap wire ones. It's awesome. In this house, it's not just the master suite that gets the nice closets. It's also got a decent window. Now, if we mosey on down the hallway, again with more windows, all this natural light, it's insane. Now we're gonna find the main bath. Similar design, still got the quartz countertops, lots of extra space for storage. You got your toilet, a deep tub shower. Yeah, you can definitely relax in here, nice and deep. We got one more bedroom. Wow, this one's a lot bigger than the last one. Pretty nifty. Got a nice view of the backyard, which will be a backyard at some point in the future. Just needs your love. Now that pretty much finishes it off upstairs. Now let's check out that basement and all the potential it's got. Now, if you recall, you get access to the basement from the kitchen and living room area. And then you get to go down this, or go out this. Whoa, this is pretty big. Lots of room for future growth. Remember the part where I told you this basement was set up to have a suite in it? Well, here it is right here. You could put a kitchen here, maybe your bathroom over there, or maybe it's over there. I'm not quite sure, but the builder told me it's set up for a suite. It's really easy. You've already got the separate entrance. All you gotta do is put a furnace down here, spend a bunch of money finishing it, and you can have a good income property here in your basement. Look at these windows, nice and deep. Hardly feels like you're in a basement. Definitely big enough to climb out of if you really needed to. This is probably where you'd put your bedroom, right here, if you were doing a suite. Kitchen over there. Yeah, this is a nice setup. Looking over at the utility room, they got one furnace there. They've even already got a gas line run and room to put a second furnace to make it a legal suite. Hot water on demand, that's a nice upgrade instead of just a regular hot water tank. And then of course there's your sump pump and HRV. Have you subscribed yet? What? You haven't? I'm offended. Come on, you want me to make more videos like this? Then you gotta subscribe. Otherwise, I might stop. Do it. You know, this might be a good time to remind you that if you're looking to buy a house, you know, whether it's this one or another one, you're looking for a home, I can help you with that. I'm a realtor with Yeg Pro Realty here in Edmonton, so if you're looking to buy a house, a condo, an acreage, reach out. 780-819-5508 or go to booktrevornow.com. Select the time on my calendar and we can have a free strategy call. All right, I'll see you then. Now, if you like this home, this builder does have some other models available and also some more stuff in the works, including some lots that you can build on either with them or with another builder. So if you're interested in that, make sure to reach out and I can hook you up. Other important details about this property I failed to mention before is the price. You're probably wondering about that. It's listed at $412,500. If that's changed at all, you can check in the link below. If it's still available, I've got a link there to check it out on the MLS. And if you want to get a garage added, you can do that too for a price of $435,000 to add a little double garage there in the backyard. And of course, I should also mention the size. It's 1,439 square feet, and it did have 9-foot ceilings. Now, YouTube, in its infinite wisdom, actually thinks there's another one of my videos that you might like. You can check it out over here. Let me know if YouTube knows what they're doing. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next video.